Good morning to all of you. Today we will start the brickwork calculation of cost of brickwork for 1 cubic meter. In the last class we discussed the reinforcement cement concrete work. We solve the numericals how to calculate the rate analysis for the reinforced concrete work for beam, for columns. By that method we can calculate also for column, for slabs, that can also be calculated for slabs, for RCC slabs. So steel uses steel uses as per the requirement, as per the numerical we solved how much steel is used there, how much mild steel is used at there. Today we will discuss how to calculate the rate analysis for brick work. Firstly, we calculate the how much of brick present for 1 cubic meter volumes. So the calculation of brickwork with standard brick is used here. Dimension of this brick is 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter. The calculation of material required for brickwork. So firstly we calculate the total amount of brick present in 1 cubic meter. Firstly we take brick wall with dead brick. Dead brick means 30 centimeter thickness. 20 plus 20 divided by 2, it means 20 plus 10, that is 30 centimeter. Length of wall is 20 meter. Height of wall is 5 meter. Total volume is become 20 into 0.3 into 5, that is 30 cubic. So total volume of the brickwork is 30 cubic. Normally the mortar joint will be less than 1 centimeter. Taking 1 cubic mortar joint, the actual thickness of wall will be 29 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is for the mortar joint. So the actual thickness will become now be 29 centimeter. Therefore actual volume will be equal to 20 into 0.29 into 5, that is 29 cubic. So the number of standard brick of 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter will be 29 upon 0.20 upon into 0.10 into 0.10, that is 14,500 number of bricks. This is for the 30 cubic areas, 30 cubic volume, sorry. So we have to calculate for 1 cubic. So the number of bricks for 1 cubic area volume, that is equal to 40,500 divided by 30, that is 484 numbers. 5% for breakage wastage. So number of brick is then is taken as 500 numbers of brick for 1 cubic area. Now we have to calculate the cost rate analysis for brickwork. Our question is this, that the first class brickwork in foundation and plinth with 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter nominal diameter, nominal size brick with cement to cement ratio is 1:6. Unit 1 cubic, we have to calculate for 1 cubic. Take 10 cubic, we calculate for 10 cubic, then divided by then that cost is divided by 10, that will be the cost for 1 cubic. Step 1, firstly we have to calculate the material used for 1 cubic 10 cubic. How much amount of cement is used, how much amount of sand is used. So the formula for calculating the amount of cement is equal to 3 divided by the sum of ratios. Here the constant is used 3. So for cement, it is cement quantity, that is equal to 3 divided by 7, that is equal to 0.43 cubic. For sand, it is equal to 0.43 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 2.58 cubic. As we seen that there will be some voids are also present, so some cement will go to fill up that void. So we take the some more amount of cement. We take 4.45 cubic of cement and 2.7 cubic of sand. and the amount of brick work for 1 cubic of brick is 500 number of bricks. We have calculated this before. For 10 cubic number of brick is, that is equal to 5000 numbers. So number of brick is 5000 for 10 cubic. Cement quantity is 2.7.45 cubic, and sand is equal to 2.7 cubic. Now the calculation of cost of material. We have to calculate the cost of material for this brickwork. So particulars material are there. Brick, number of bricks are 5000 number of brick. Rate of brick is 2000 per 1000. This rate is for 1000 brick. It means for 1000 brick rate is 2000. For 5000 it is rate is 10000. Cement, quantity of cement is 0.45 cubic. Rate of cement is 6325 per cubic. So the total cost will equal to 2846 for cement. For sand, quantity is 2.7 cubic. Rate is 400 cubic. Total cost is 1080. So final total cost is equal to 13,926 rupees. Calculation for labor work. Here one mistri, half number of mistri is used. Rate is 160 per day. Total cost is equal to 80. For mason, 7 number of mason is used. Rate is 150 per day. Total cost is equal to 1050. Mazdoor, 7 number of mazdoor used. Rate is 80 per day. Total cost is equal to 560. Boy or woman, 7 number of boy or woman used. Rate is 70 per day. Total cost is equal to 490. Bisti, 2 number of bisti is used. Rate of 1 bisti is 70 per day. Total cost is equal to 140. For sundries, T and P, lump sum amount 35 is taken. So the final total cost for labor work is equal to 2355 rupees. The total cost aid 1.5% for water charge, that is equal to 244.25 Rs. Add 10% contractors profits, that is equal to 1628 rupees. So the final total cost is equal to 18,153.50 Rs. This cost is for 10 cubics. For 1 cubics, the cost is will be equal to 1815.35 Rs. So the cost for 1 cubics of brickwork, that is equal to 1815 Rs. Thank you very much.